Now here find the difference. Here like fractions are given. So then how to find the difference? It is very easy. So difference of numerators, that is 4 minus 3 by common denominator. 4 minus 3 1, 1 by 9. Unlike fractions are given, so we have to find the LCM. 3 4, 3 and 4 are the consecutive numbers. Then what is the method for finding LCM? We have to find the product. 3 4s are 12. 12 is the LCM. In 3 table, when you will get 12, 3 4s are multiply by 4. In 4 table, when you will get 12, 3s are 4 1s are 4 by 3 4s are 12, 1 3s are 3 by 12. Now these are in like fraction. So difference of the numerator by common denominator, that is 1 by 12. This is the difference. Now students, see here. So which is greater? The difference between 17 by 2 and 1 3 by 4, or the sum 1 by 2 and 13 by 4. So here we have to find the greater number, say among these two numbers. So we have to find the difference of two numbers and sum of these two numbers, and after that we have to decide which one is bigger. Which one is bigger? First, difference of 17 by 2 and 1 3 by 4. Then after that, in the same way, sum of 1 by 2 and 13 by 4. Okay. Now see here, difference means minus. 17 by 2 we have to take as it is. Difference means minus. 1 3 by 4, this is a mixed fraction, we have to convert into improper. First we have to multiply these two. 4 1s are 4. For that 4 we have to add this 3. 4 plus 3 7. 7 by 4. Okay. Now we have to find the LCM of 2 and 4. 2 and 4 LCM is 4. Why 2 and 4 LCM is 4? 2 factor is 4. So that is why the bigger number is the LCM. Then in 2 table, when you will get 4, 2s are 2s are. In 4 table, when you will get 4, 1s are 1s are. 17 2s are 34 by 4. 7 1s are 7 by 4. Then make minus. Like fractions, numerators, subtract numerator by common denominator. Then 34 minus 7 is 27. 27 by 4. 27 by 4. 27 28. 27 by 4. 34 minus 7. 34 minus 7 is 27. 27 by 4. Next, here sum we have to add. First, this is a mixed fraction, we have to convert improper fraction. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 2 plus 13 by 4. Again 2 and 4 LCM is 4. What is the LCM here? LCM is 4. In 2 table, when you will get 4, 2s are, multiply with 2. In 4 table, 1s are. 3 2s are 6 by 4 plus 13 1s are 13 by 4. 6 plus 13 like fractions, add numerators. Then 19 by 4. Here 19 by 4, here 27 by 4. Here this is 27, here 19. It means this one is bigger. This one is bigger. Here difference of 17 by 2 and 1 3 by 4 is greater than sum of 1 by 2 and 13 by 4. So with this sum, the difference of this is bigger. Okay. Now here next word problem C. A milk tanker contains 100 liters of milk. 4 by 5 liters of milk is used. Then how much fraction of milk left in the tanker? So total how many liters of milk is there? 100 liters of milk. In that 4 by 5 liters of milk is used. So, this much fraction is used. Then how much fraction of the milk left here? So, here in the tanker either 100 liters, 200 liters, 300 liters, whatever it is, whenever we are going to find the fraction of the milk left, so we have to consider total milk in the tanker as 1 unit, 1 unit, okay, we have to consider as 1 unit. So, then in that 1 unit 4 by 5 liters of milk used, then how much left means, so we have to subtract 4 by 5 from unit, that is from 1 we have to subtract 4 by 5, then you will get fraction of the milk left. Okay. Let the milk in the tanker as 1 unit, So, then fraction of the milk used, that is 4 by 5 liters, 4 by 5. Now, fraction of the milk left, that means from 1 we have to subtract this used milk, how much used. Then find the LCM, 1 and 5 LCM, 1 and 5 LCM is 5. In 1 table when you will get 5, 1 5s are. In 5 table when you will get 5, 1s are, 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5, 4 1s are 4, 5 1s are 5, that is 5 minus 4 by 5, 5 minus 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 5 fraction of the milk is left. Okay. So, fraction of the milk left is 1 by 5, okay, 1 by 5 liters. Okay, students. Yes, now students see here, next in enrichment activity. So, what we are going to do? So, what is main objective? We are going to make Tiranga, so means our flag, Tiranga flag. So, in that, so what material we need? So, what material required? So, sheet of papers, colors, small stick, a drinking straw, 2 white sheets. How many? 2 white sheets. These are our requirements. Then what we have to do? First, we have to take 2 white sheets. 2 white sheets we have to take like this. 2 white sheets we have to take. So, after taking 2 white sheets, so that should be in a rectangular shape. So, these A4 sheets are in rectangular shape. So, these rectangular sheets we have to take. After taking these 2 sheets, what we have to do? We have to fold it 2 halves exact. So, like this we have to fold in column wise. So, in breadth wise, in length wise we have to fold. So, this is length wise we have to fold. Do not fold it in breadth wise like this, do not fold in this way. So, you have to fold in this way, means length wise you have to fold. After that, so this is half portion, this is half portion plus half portion makes 1, complete 1 unit, half plus half. How many halves are there in these 2 sheets? Half plus half, 2 halves, third half, fourth half, total 4 halves are there. In these 4 halves, first I want to take 2 halves, I want to make 2 halves like this. So, make 2 halves. This is first half, this is second half. So, in this first half, so you draw orange color. Which color? Orange color. Okay. First you draw orange color like this with your color pencil, or so like this you have to draw orange color. Okay, complete orange color. This is our orange color. Okay, complete with orange color. Okay, this is our orange color. Okay, this is orange color, half of our sheet. So we have to make orange color. So we have to color with orange. Okay, then after that you keep aside this one, half of your sheet. Then so one more half sheet you have to take. So this one more half sheet you have to take and make and draw with green color. So shade with green color pencil. Okay, or sketch, you have to take sketch or pencil, anything. So anything you add, that's your wish. Okay, color with green. Okay, this is our green color portion. This is our green color portion. So this is green color, orange color and green color. Half of is orange color and half of our portion is green color. Half of our portion is green color. Then after that, in the next second paper, so in this second paper again we have to make, so we have to take this second paper, second white sheet, again we make two halves. How many halves? Two halves. We make two halves like this. In first sheet we make two halves. In that one half, so we colored with orange and another half we colored with green. In the second sheet, so one is white, other one is, so that left. So then after that what we have to do? So we have to keep like this, first half, and after that we have to paste white, and after that we have to take green color. We have to take green color like this, orange, white and green. So then after that what we have to do? So you have to draw tiranga, means this is a tiranga. So then what we need here? So here, so we have to draw one chakra. So in this we have to draw a chakra in the middle. In the middle you have to draw chakra. Okay. Like this you prepare your tiranga. So this is our tiranga. Okay. Now you form your flag tiranga. Okay students. So orange color, half of our portion is orange and half of our portion is white and half of our portion is green. This is half portion. Half of our sheet is orange and half of our sheet is white and half of our sheet is green. Orange, white and green. So then after that, so first how much paper how much paper we used. How much paper we used in 2 sheets. In 2 sheets, we used half sheet for orange and half sheet for white and half sheet for green. So, these 3 color half plus half plus half. Then how much paper we used? Half plus half plus half means, so all these are like fractions, all these are like fractions. Then so we have to add numerators 1 plus 1 plus 1 by common denominator we have to write. In like fraction what we have to do? We have to add numerators 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 paper we used, 3 by 2 paper we used. This 3 by 2 is a improper fraction. So, then how to convert this improper fraction into mixed? So, 2 divides this 3, denominator divides this numerator, then 2 ones are 2, then 1 is left. How to write this? First the quotient, then this remainder divided by divisor. 1 1 by 2, 1 and half sheet we used, 1 complete sheet and other half sheet we used. How many sheets we used? Practically we used 1 and half sheet used. And how much sheet left after using 2 sheets? So, we are using 2 sheets. In this 2 sheets, 1 and half sheet we used. After using 1 and half sheet is left, half sheet is left, half sheet is left, means 2 minus 1 1 by 2, 2 minus 1 1 by 2. So, 2 minus 1 1 by 2 means 3 by 2. Then take LCM. So, what is the LCM? 2 is the LCM. 2 is our LCM. In one table when you will get 2? 1 2s are multiply by 2. In 2 table when you will get 2? 1s are 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2, 4 minus 3 1, 1 by 2. Half sheet is left. How much is left? Half sheet is left. Practically we have to do like this. First we make a flag using 2 sheets. In that we first we fold our sheet in lengthwise and make 2 halves. How many halves? Total 4 halves you have to prepare. In that 4 halves, first half you make orange color and after that you make green color and orange color and after that one is in white color. Then 3 halves we used and in white sheet we have to draw a tiranga also. And after that, so calculate how much sheet you used. For orange half sheet, for white half sheet we used and for this half paper we used. Then half plus half plus half. So, 3 by 2 sheet we used. Here all are like fractions. How to add like fractions? We have to add numerators and the denominator we have to take ones. So, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 in mixed fraction, 3 by 2 is in improper fraction. If we convert this improper into mixed, 1 half. It means 1 and half paper we used. 1 and half paper we used. If we used 1 and half in 2 papers, half paper is left. How much is left? Half paper. By practically in 2 papers, if 1 and half paper is used, then how much is left? 1. Here half paper is left. Practically half paper, theoretically also by doing sum also we left half paper. So, this is the addition and addition of fraction. What things comes here? Addition of like fractions. So, how to add like fractions there here, and after that mixed improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Then how to convert improper fraction into mixed, and after that subtraction of fractions, how to subtract. So, then conclusion. Okay. So, all these things involved in this. So, one concept, making tiranga. Okay.